In this video, we'll look at how you can easily read configuration settings from your app.config file in a .NET Framework application. Configuration files are extremely useful. They allow us to store settings outside the application code, making our apps flexible and easier to manage without recompiling each time a value changes. Let's look at how this works practically. Here's my simple application. I've created an app.config file, and in the app settings section, I've placed two settings, app name and max users. App name is my awesome app, and max users is set to 100. To read these values in our C# application, we use the built-in ConfigurationManager.AppSettings. This method lets us fetch the configuration values by their keys. If you run into an error, you may be missing dependencies. In order to access this, you will need to ensure you have the corresponding NuGet package installed into your project. If you haven't done so, you can add like this. Here's how we access our app name and max users settings. When we run the program, it displays our configured values clearly. If we need to update our settings, we simply edit the app.config file, save it, and run our program again. No recompilation necessary. Using this approach, your applications become easier to manage, maintain, and configure. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more practical .NET programming tutorials.